Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preserving anything you want to keep. Backing up templates, tool palettes, and customized profiles prevents data loss. Once done, open Autocad's Options dialog, go to Profiles, and export your active profile to a safe folder. Make sure Autocad is closed for system-level resets, and then relaunch it as administrator so permission prompts don't block changes. You're now ready to run the reset utilities and access the folders where Autocad stores its configuration files. Next, perform the actual reset. Use the Application menu or Start menu shortcut labeled Reset Settings to default. That handles registry keys and many config files automatically. If issues persist, navigate to %appdata%/autodesk/autocad, then rename your versioned user folder so Autocad will recreate it fresh. Make sure to restart Autocad so it regenerates default support files, menus, and tool palettes. This method clears corrupted settings while preserving program files, and it's the core of restoring. To finish, import any exported profile you backed up earlier using Options Profiles Import, and then switch to the desired workspace. Once done, verify tool palettes, plotters, and support paths. Adjust them if they reverted. If settings don't apply, make sure file and registry permissions allow writes, then try the reset again. As a final troubleshooting tip, if defaults still fail to restore, reinstall Autocad after removing leftover Autodesk folders to ensure a clean install, and then reapply your saved profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.